Oh yes, honey. I feel so cool. I'm so cool. Yes. Hey y'all, it's Ratoya. That's like Latoya, but with an R instead of an L. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. If you are new here, take a quick second right now and push that subscribe button. Everybody be sure to give your girl a thumbs up. And any questions that you have, leave them down below in the comment section. Now, today, y'all, we are doing a Fashion Nova unboxing try-on haul. So I got a new package, and typically when I do my Fashion Nova try-on hauls, I've already opened everything and looked at it, and by the time I'm doing this portion of the video, I've already tried it on and I can tell y'all how it fits and everything, but we gonna figure it all out together today. So there's only one thing in my entire package that I've already opened, tried on, and wore, and it's these pair of shoes, honey. First of all, they came in this nice little shoe box. It's seen better days, but I love me a good shoe box. Keep my shoes, you know, in better quality than just throwing them in a bucket. Okay, you feel me? So when you open it, the shoes are individually wrapped. Thank you, Fashion Nova. Thank you. And voila. And now I know everybody's like, dang, she got some big old feet. Mind your business. I do. They are, and see, they already got a little stains on them because I wore them yesterday, but they're high top white. They have these in all white, and I really want the all white ones, but these are cute, black high top white, and they're true to size. I ordered my size that I normally wear whenever I buy shoes, and they fit just fine. So you can feel confident when you order shoes from there. You can order your size and they should fit. I mean, it worked for me. I'm not handing out no refunds if it don't work for you. All right, what else did I get? She's a little strappy bodysuit. I got this in a small medium. Okay, snaps at the crotch. It has this crisscross design in the back. This is cute. From the front, it just looks like a simple black spaghetti strap, but then pow, you turn around and I'm sexy back here. Don't you be fooled. All right, that's blick. Let's see what else we got in here. This is called Skye Midi dress in mustard. I got this in a small. And normally I'm like a medium in tops and like dresses. But when I order from Fashion Nova, I try to get a small because their materials are stretchy. And so if I get a medium, it fits, but it doesn't like fit to my body. If I get a small, then it'll like fit. You feel me? So this is just a regular dress. Oh, you know what? I think I actually have this dress in like other colors. I clearly enjoy this dress. Yeah, it's ribbed. Moving on. This is called the Just For Me jumpsuit. Oh yes, I was excited about this, and this is why I actually ordered those black shoes, because I wanted to order this and I was like, dang, what shoes would I wear with this? So why not just order the shoes that the girl has on in the pictures? Duh. She looked cute in her little outfit with the shoes on, so that's exactly what I did. So this is kind of like a sweatsuit, like one-piece bodysuit type thing. The pockets are real. This tie around the waist is reals, and so you can tighten that up around your waist as tight as you want it. These pockets on the side of the leg are fake, and it looks like it's gonna show a little cleavage. And hopefully when I try this on, y'all see in the video right now if I'm flooding or not, because y'all know I got long legs. So next up is this About Myself ribbed mini dress in heather gray. I got this in a size small also. Okay, this is cute. It's a little short, so hopefully my bum ain't hanging out at the bottom. And I love me a good v-neck. You can always have you a little cleavage showing in a nice little cute v-neck. But you know, you can be a little classy in this, unless your legs long as mine. Y'all let me know if I'm looking classy or not, because I haven't tried it on, so I'm probably not even looking classy. But Wendy, you know what? We're not even gonna let that get to us. We're gonna move on to the next item. Next up is the Carla one shoulder bodysuit. Oh yes, I remember this one. This is ribbed also. It's long sleeve, but it got your little shoulder out, so you can be a little sexy but not too sexy. You know, you want to stun on them a little bit, let them see a little bit of soft, beautiful skin. Okay, just show you a little taste, but the rest y'all know what, we're gonna leave that alone. Moving on. Next is the No Brainer long sleeve v-neck tee in white. I got this in a small, and I feel like this is just about to be a regular v-neck white shirt. Let's see. Oh, it's crop. You know what? I have this in, I have the same shirt in like a mustard color, so I kind of already know how this fits, so let's move on. Last up is this Don't Even crop denim jacket. Oh yes, it's in a medium wash. I got it in a large. Yes, I've been wanting a cute little jean jacket. I hope this fits since I got it in a large, but I mean, it's a jean jacket, so I didn't want it to be tight, you know? I wanted to have some room to breathe. Let me take my finger brace off. I hope I don't hit my finger. I took my finger brace off earlier and hit my finger and almost died. Oh, okay. Oh yes, you know what? I remember now. The sleeves were puffy even on the model in the photo. Yes, that's the style. I was about to say this might be a little too big. These arms is loose, but that's how it's supposed to be. Oh yes, honey. I feel so cool. I'm so cool. Yes. Yes, y'all push subscribe because I'm cool. Okay, yeah. If I would have got a medium, I feel like it would have fit like just right. And I didn't, I just hit my finger again. Okay, y'all. Whew. I'm finna try to finish this video so I can go on about my day, because wow. Oh, that hurts so bad. So, I'm gonna go cry, and you guys push subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and any questions that you have, leave it down in the comment section. And until next time, bye y'all.